Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best GShock adapter is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for any GShock enthusiast looking to customize their beloved timepiece, allowing for a seamless transition between different strap types and unlocking a world of aesthetic and functional possibilities that go far beyond the original limitations of the watch band, making it an indispensable tool for personalizing your rugged companion. Number 5. Ritche Military Ballistic Nylon Watch Strap. Introducing a premium watch strap designed for both durability and style. Crafted from ballistic nylon, it offers a comfortable and secure fit for everyday wear. Available in 18mm, 20mm, 22mm, and 24mm, this band ensures a perfect match for a wide range of watches. Find the ideal size to personalize your timepiece. Featuring a robust black heavy buckle with a glossy finish, it adds a touch of sophistication. This sturdy buckle is built to last and complements the strap perfectly. Looking for the perfect gift? This watch strap makes an excellent choice for Christmas, white elephant exchanges, or stocking stuffers. It's a practical and stylish present for any man. Experience the blend of comfort and resilience with this military-grade ballistic nylon strap. It's designed to withstand daily activities while keeping your watch securely in place. Transform your watch with this versatile accessory. Its classic design and quality construction make it a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their personal style. What we like. This option offers a stylish glossy buckle that stands out. It also comes in various widths to fit a wide range of watches. If you're looking for a classic look with a touch of flair, this is a great choice. What people say. The watch band is the largest band I have been able to find. I like the nylon bands because they are very durable and comfortable. The stitching looks perfect and the buckle is simple and durable design. The band is a semi-soft nylon and the buckles look to be a metallic powered coated design. This exceeded my expectations, even. Came with a spring bar tool and extra spring bars. Unexpected and a nice touch. Got this strap for my Movado ESQ. This band is really high quality and feels great. Love it. Gives my watch some new life. Looks really cool and gels well together. Makes the watch pretty unique. This band actually looks better in person than in the pictures. Great color and feel to the leather. Nice thickness for a chunkier feel. Good stitching and cutting of the leather. Metal clasp has a nice brushed stainless look and it very large. Number 4. Casio RAF Nylon Strap Replacement. Give your Casio watch a fresh new look with our premium RAF nylon strap. It's designed for comfort and durability. This strap comes with adapters, ensuring a perfect fit for your 16mm Casio watch. Installation is quick and simple. Crafted from high-quality nylon, this band is built to last. It can withstand daily wear and tear with ease. Experience both style and comfort with this replacement strap. It's a great way to personalize your timepiece. Specifically made for Casio watches with a 16mm lug width. Ensure compatibility for a seamless upgrade. This kit includes the RAF nylon strap and the necessary adapters. Everything you need to refresh your watch band. What we like. This kit provides the necessary adapters for a seamless conversion. The RAF style strap is known for its durability and comfort. If you want to easily upgrade your Casio 16mm series watch without hassle, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The kit gave me everything I needed to install it onto my GShock. It came with a spring bar tool, the strap adapters, the NATO band, and 3 sets of 2 spring bars, each in different sizes. This kit has a great fit that is comfortable to wear all day. It also looks pretty slick with the rest of my watch's color palette. The included tool really made for an easy replacement installation process. I was super pleased. Number 3. RAF Nylon Watch Strap Kit for GShock DW, 5600-6900 GA700 GA100. Give your GShock watch a fresh new look with this premium replacement strap kit. It's designed for a perfect fit on popular models. Crafted from high-quality RAF nylon, this strap offers exceptional durability and comfort for everyday wear. It's built to last. Swapping out your old band is a breeze with this easy-to-install kit. You'll have your upgraded watch ready in minutes. This strap is also equipped with 16mm adapters, making it ready for HD conversion. Enhance your watch's functionality and style. Specifically designed as a replacement for GShock models like the DW5600, DW6900, GA700, and GA100. It ensures a secure and stylish fit. Add a touch of rugged style to your wrist with this versatile watch band. It's the ideal accessory for any man's GShock. What we like. Featuring HD conversion adapters, this kit ensures a precise fit for popular GShock models like the DW5600 and GA700. The strap is built for toughness. If you own one of these specific GShock models and need a reliable, rugged upgrade, this is the one to get. What people say. The band was definitely military grade. The adapters that come with this are the best I've come across. The strap itself is thick and sturdy but comfortable. The supplied strap is actually quite nice, but know this. The adapters make the lug-to-lug distance longer, so another NATO will not fit. They do, but one of the bars will sit inside, making the watch sit up higher. The supplied strap is actually really nice, and after a few days of wear loosened up. Great addition for my 20-year-old GShock. Number 2. Ritche Strap 20mm Nylon Watch Band Adapters Kit. Transform your Casio GShock watch with this premium 20mm nylon strap and metal adapter kit. It's designed for a perfect fit and enhanced style. Crafted from high-quality nylon and robust metal, this accessory ensures durability and comfort for everyday wear. It's built to last. The included 16mm lug metal adapters make installation a breeze. You can quickly switch up your watch's look without any hassle. This kit is compatible with a range of popular Casio GShock models, including the 5600, 5610, G100, GW2310, DW6600, GW6900, GA800, and 5700 series. Give your favorite timepiece a fresh, personalized look. This strap and adapter set offers a stylish and practical way to express your individuality. What we like. The 5-ring design offers enhanced security and adjustability for the strap. It comes with metal adapters for a premium feel and durability. If you prefer a highly secure watch band and need compatibility with a broad range of GShock 5600 series and other compatible models, this kit is an excellent pick. What people say. Easy to install, fits the aesthetics of the watch perfectly, and works with a surprising variety of straps. The ability to use 20mm straps customizes and transforms the watches, breathing new life to them. Adapters and spring bars all worked and fit my GShock watch perfectly. Number 1. Lijinlan Nylon Replacement Strap for Casio GShock. Give your Casio GShock watch a fresh new look. This durable nylon strap is designed for a perfect fit. Crafted from high-quality nylon, it's built to withstand your active lifestyle. Enjoy comfort and resilience all day long. Specifically designed for popular GShock models like the DW5600E and DW6900 series. It's the ideal accessory to refresh your timepiece. Swapping out your old band is simple and quick. You'll have your upgraded watch ready in no time. Combine style with practicality. This replacement strap offers a comfortable feel and a rugged appearance that matches your watch's spirit. Enhance your GShock experience with this premium nylon strap. It's the perfect choice for those seeking both performance and style. What we like. This is a straightforward nylon replacement strap designed for several popular GShock models. It's a no-fuss option for restoring or customizing your watch. If you have a DW5600 series or similar GShock and need a simple, comfortable, and durable strap, this is a solid choice. What people say. The adapter is a great addition to my GShock, allowing me to attach different straps easily. The design is sleek and doesn't add too much bulk to the watch. It feels very secure. Installation was straightforward, and it fits perfectly with my DW5600 model. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.